How to fix too many items, try again later problem on TikTok app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. First thing, go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here, and then all what you have to do now is go to apps again, and now all what you have to do is search for TikTok app right here, and here is it. As you can see, now we click on TikTok, and now all what you have to do here is so simple, so please keep watching. First thing, click on force stop, and after you click on it, go to the storage option and click on clear cache and clear data, and go back. Now all what you have to do is, this is the last step, restart your phone and then go back to TikTok and log in, and then I am sure that the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.